Hello friends, Swami Vivekanand National Institute of Rehab Training and Research has released its recruitment notice. They are invited from the eligible candidates for the following posts. You can refer to advertisement number 86B, which released on 10th of Jan 2025. For these are the posts which are the consultant post, and you can see here mentioned the physiotherapist consultant, and consolidated monthly remuneration will be 50k. A number of posts is one only. And you can see apart from physio, there are many few posts have been released from the SV Nirtar with attached center with the CRC Ranchi, Balangir and Nagaland as well. I will put this PDF link on the YouTube description box as well. And in the last notice you can see that's mentioned SV Nirta Cutup, which are reported by the CRIC Nagaland for Nagaland CRC lecturer physiotherapy. Monthly consolidation payment will be 60,000, and here also post is one only. So you can visit the website of svnirtar.nic.in or crcguwahati.nic.in or crcranchi.nic.in. So you can get detailed information, and you need to send the application to this following address which have been shown in the screen. For more information, you can like and subscribe our channel PhysioTrance Academy. Thank you.